To measure shoulder flexion range of motion using a goniometer, the patient is supine with the shoulder in 0 degrees of flexion, the elbow fully extended, and the forearm in neutral rotation with the palm facing the trunk. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is aligned with the midpoint of the lateral aspect of the acromion process. The stationary arm is aligned with the lateral midline of the thorax, and the moving arm is aligned with the lateral midline of the humerus and the lateral humeral epicondyle.
Mr. Barnes, I'm going to measure how much you can move your shoulder using this device. Please come towards me. Now when I ask you to, I want you to move this arm above your head like this and hold it there. Now move your arm up and hold it there.